speaking prosperity into my life, using God's Word.
According to Deuteronomy chapter 8, verse 18, I do remember that the Lord, my God, has given me power to get wealth, so that he may establish his covenant with me. His promises are as sure to me as the promises he made to my ancestors. According to Deuteronomy chapter 8, verses 1 to 2, I do hear and obey the voice of the Lord, and observe his commandments. It shall come to pass that God will set me high above, because I will listen to him and do as he asks. According to Deuteronomy chapter 28, verses 3 to 6, because I obey God, I am blessed in the city and blessed in the country. Blessed are my children and my business. Blessed are my earnings and savings. I am blessed wherever I travel. According to Deuteronomy chapter 28, verses 7 to 9, because I obey God, I am blessed with the protection of God. My adversaries come one way, and are scattered 7 ways. In everything I choose to do, and in every place I choose to dwell, I am blessed. God is establishing me as holy unto him. According to Deuteronomy chapter 28, verses 10 to 12, because I obey God, I am blessed. God gives me from his good treasure, plenty of children, profitable business, good earnings, and valuable property. I have the capacity to lend to many, and I have no need to borrow from anyone. According to Deuteronomy chapter 28, verses 13 to 14, because I obey God, I am blessed. I am in charge making key decisions. I am in authority of situations and circumstances. They will not beat me. In everything I do, I will be blessed, because I do not swerve from God's commandments and obey any other so-called authority.